Most people believe morning people are born. They aren't. They are engineered. If you wake up with brain fog, reaching for caffeine just to feel human, it isn't a character flaw. It's a system failure. You are trying to run high-performance software on a dehydrated, unprimed processor. Today, we open the manual on protocol LP-O1. This is the biological blueprint for the first 90 minutes of your day. We aren't looking for motivation. We are looking for optimization. The first movement of the morning is not a choice. It is a requirement. 24 to 30 ounces of water. Immediately. Clinical data from the Journal of Biological Chemistry reveals a startling reality. After 8 hours of sleep, your brain is physically dehydrated. It has actually lost volume, shrinking away from the skull by up to 2%. This brain shrinkage is the true source of your morning fog. We don't drink water to quench thirst. We drink it to restore brain mass and reestablish the electrical potential in your cells. Think of it as jumping a dead battery. Without this fluid, the current cannot flow. You don't have an energy problem. You have a conductivity problem. Phase 2, activation. Listen up. You don't need a grueling 2-hour workout at the crack of dawn. No. What you truly need is just 10 minutes of intentional movement. Here's the hard truth, your heart. It pumps your blood like a champion. But that lymphatic system, it's the body's waste disposal network. It has no pump of its own. It's manual. It only moves when you decide to move. So, picture this. Just 10 minutes of stretching or walking is like a biological flush, clearing out all that metabolic waste that piled up in your tissues while you were dreaming away. If you don't move, all that trash sticks around, dragging down your cognitive speed for the entire day. This is your moment. Get moving. Now, we calibrate the clock. You gotta find that horizon, all right? It could be a serene lake, a cozy balcony, or even just a window, whatever it is. You need that natural light in your eyes for a solid 10 minutes. Behind those eyes of yours, there's a powerhouse called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. And when that morning light hits your retina, it triggers the cortisol awakening response. This isn't just about feeling alert right now, no. It's about setting a biological timer for 16 hours from this moment. It's telling your brain, hey, it's time to release melatonin tonight. You hear me? You win tonight's sleep by gazing at the sky this morning. Consistency here, folks, that's the game changer. It's the difference between a scattered mind and a laser-focused one. You want that focus? You've got to commit. Finally, we put on the armor. You see, the grooming process, the shave, the skin, the dress people, brush it off as vanity. But let me tell you, science disagrees. Psychologists, they call this enclothed cognition. It's a game changer. The act of grooming and dressing for the day, it's like flipping a switch in your brain. It tells your mind that domestic mode is offline and operational mode is in full effect. When you respect your presentation, you respect your output. You're not just getting ready for a job, no. You're gearing up the subject alpha persona. This is about preparing for the work that defines your legacy. Before we dive into the work, folks, we kick things off with a system audit. First, let's tackle the environment. We're talking a solid 10-minute blitz to clear your physical space. Why? Neuroscience tells us that visual noise, all that clutter lurking in your peripheral vision, it's stealing your brain's attention. It spikes your cortisol and it reduces your focus. So, listen up. You're not cleaning for aesthetics. You're cleaning to protect your bandwidth. Next up, the map. You never kick off a day without knowing your target. We take a moment to audit that task list while your brain's ready to roll. By identifying your big rock before you even log on, you're dodging that dreaded decision fatigue. You're not sitting there wondering what to do. You're executing a plan that's already been laid out. The transition, it's seamless. From your house to your mind to the mission ahead. This is LP-O1. It's universal, folks. It's biological. It's a template you can build anywhere. Stop searching for motivation. Start following the blueprint. I'll see you in the next protocol.